This print sat unused for 4 years. I made it in 2020, couldn't make it work on anything, so I left it alone. It was only in 2024 that I realized what was really wrong with it, but only because of everything that had happened in between. The structure was always right. The landscape, the composition, the bilateral symmetry, all of it was there from the beginning. The problem was this: every time I tried to repeat this print in any orientation on any silhouette, that dark green line at the center cut straight across the garment. It stopped the eye every single time. I couldn't find a way around it, so I left it. I don't act on ideas immediately, I let them settle. If they're asking for attention after that, I know that they're worth pursuing. This one waited for 4 years before I came back to it. But those 4 years weren't empty. Few launched. I worked with the prints that did work. I got feedback from customers on how prints behave on the body, what works in a silhouette, what doesn't. I accumulated all this experience that I did not have in 2020, and when I came back to this print in 2024, all of that was with me. The problem was suddenly obvious in a way it hadn't been 4 years earlier. The center needed to be in the same color family as the edges. The hunter green was creating a visual interruption every time the print repeated. I shifted the center to the same coral peach as the surrounding print, rotated it 90 degrees, repeated it longitudinally, and the print that had never worked on anything became something that could be finally worn. The print was never wrong, the structure was right even in 2020. I think what was missing was my own clarity, the feedback, the experience, the understanding of how a print actually lives on a garment that I only developed after doing this for 4 more years. Sometimes an idea doesn't need to be fixed, it needs you to catch up to it.